Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Today, we are going to explore 10 low-cost passive income ideas that actually work. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. They are simple systems that can grow over time, even if you are starting with very little money. Let's begin. Idea 1. Print-on-demand products. You create simple designs, t-shirts, mugs, posters, and platforms handle production and shipping. Your job is to create once and earn each time it sells. Start simple. Focus on one niche and build from there. Idea 2. Digital templates. People are always looking for ready-made solutions. Resumes, planners, business templates. You create them once and sell them repeatedly. Low cost, high potential. Idea 3. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products you already use and earn a commission. This can be done through videos, websites, or social media. Trust matters here, so keep it honest. Idea 4. Stock content. Photos, videos, music. Upload them to platform and earn when people download. Your work continues to generate income long after it is created. Idea 5. Ebooks. Write a short guide. Solve a specific problem. Publish it online. And earn from each sale. It does not need to be long. It needs to be useful. Idea 6. Online courses. Teach something you know. Record once. Sell access. Even beginner knowledge can help someone else. Idea 7. YouTube content. Create simple videos. Educational, relaxing, informational. Over time, they generate views and income. The key is consistency. Idea 8. Micro SaaS or simple tools, even basic tools. Calculators, trackers can generate small recurring income. Built once, used many times. Idea 9. Rent out assets. This could be equipment or even unused space if you already own it. becomes an income source. Idea 10. Dividend investing. Even small amounts, invested consistently, can grow over time. It is slow, but powerful. Now, take a moment. These ideas are simple, but they work because they follow one principle. Create once, earn repeatedly. Let's reflect. Print on demand, digital templates, affiliate marketing, stock content, ebooks, courses, content creation, simple tools, renting assets, investing. You do not need to do all of them. Choose one. Start small, stay consistent, and build over time. Because passive income is not about speed, it is about systems. And systems create freedom. Take one step today and repeat it tomorrow. That is how it grows. We will gently return to the beginning. Take a slow breath in. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.